Ever wondered how it brings static images to life? With ElevenLabs, it's easier than you think. First, select a high-quality photo of your subject. The better the image, the more realistic the result. Next, upload the photo to the ElevenLabs platform. The interface is user-friendly and intuitive. Then, choose the audio you'd like the subject to speak. This will be your lip sync guide. Once everything is set, hit Generate. Watch as the AI brings your photo to life with realistic lip sync. Finally, download your new lip sync video and share it with friends. You've just created magic. Now, impress everyone with your new AI lip sync video. You're one step closer to becoming an AI creator. Explore other features of ElevenLabs to expand your creative horizons. The possibilities are endless. Join a community of creators who share their AI-generated lip sync videos. Learn and grow together. Remember, every great creation starts with an idea. What will you create next? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on using AI tools effectively. Until next time, keep creating amazing content with the power of AI.